my name's Jenna Vanderhoof. I work the Another Level Car Show. My fiance, Justin Saladolina, puts it on. This is our 4th year putting this on. It's at the Palatine parking garage. This year we have sold out. We have over 600 cars that are showing, and we may open up for a little bit more. We're doing 2 charities this year, Bombshell Bullies, which is a local pit bull rescue, and also St. Jude's Children's Hospital. We have a bunch of different sponsors. We have, aside from our charities, we also have Culver's. We have a bunch of local shops, Auto Works, we have Chi-Town Racing, JDM Chicago, Arlington Toyota and Scion. There's so many more that I can't even think to list right now, but they're really the reason why we're able to put on such a great show to benefit these charities.
One thing we are proud of, because we are not your typical car show. We have we range from domestic, imports, Euro, we have all kinds of it. It's just car guys that just want to have a great time, supporting a great cause, and we're proud to have them.